Here we are at Hillside Caravan Park,
Which is at Knayton.
which is between Osmotherley, where we were at the other week, and Thirsk. And it's not too far from the A19 if you're passing.
This place has just won an award.
That's right, it won the regional winner for the North East in Practical Caravan's Top 100 caravan sites.
For 2025.
And we can see why.
It's so peaceful and quiet and well laid out.
Anyway, let's go and check it out.
LeisureBit is the way to go with David, Rachel and Roxy. Let's hit the road and explore.
We pick up our journey leaving the A19. We were heading from the north towards the south, and then we take a right hand turn into the village of Knayton. We pass through Knayton and then we carry straight on all the way down this road, which is a single track road with passing places.
Continue down the lane and then you take a left hand turn where the sign is. Head down there and check in at reception.
You get given a fob for this gate.
And here we are at Hillside Caravan Park. We were given a map which showed us where to go to find our pitch.
We paid £37 for one night on a serviced pitch. It's a 9-acre site with 58 pitches, a heated amenity block and a small coffee lounge with free Wi-Fi. Our pitch comes with a 10-amp electrical hookup, a water tap for drinking water, a water tap for rinsing and a drain point, and a TV aerial hookup point. Electric car charging's not permitted from any pitch. Please use the dedicated charging point. There's 2 facilities blocks on the site, and very nice too, and heated. Here's the facilities block in the main field.
There's a small, well-equipped laundry.
And we've got gents.
Just round the corner, there's ladies.
And accessible.
It's locked, so I can't show you inside. There's a pot washing area. Next door, there's also a chemical disposal point. And just at the side is a waste and recycling area.
The other facilities are located where we came in, at the reception, shop and coffee lounge.
Accessible washroom. Loads and loads of information. Another accessible washroom. There's a unisex bathroom as well, and there's a hairdryer just outside. That coffee lounge is really, really big. There's loads of chairs and tables and sofas to sit on. Really good. I bet you could get a magazine or watch a podcast or something and just sit and relax there.
Isn't the weather absolutely gorgeous? Running along the edge of the site, there's a little stream. Look who's down by the stream. It's Rachel and Roxy. The site's split into different sections, which is really nice. Lovely views over the hills from here.
The site seems to be split into 2 halves. There's this end here that's at the top and is near the pond and the little stream, and there's the other end down at the bottom where we're parked. What you do notice about this site, how peaceful it is. It's really, really quiet. Just behind the pond area are the lodges. There's a large, well-equipped children's playground.
You never get too old. Come on. There's a dog wash in here. You don't see those very often. Isn't that clever? And a drying area by the look of it. Excellent.
It's got a dryer. Roxy loves having her hair dried. A hair? Oh.
We're now going to take a wander into Knayton.
Knayton is a small village in North Yorkshire. It's got very small population, circa 300. There are no shops and no public transport to the village, but a thriving pub and a beautiful community. In Knayton there is a village hall which hosts several events throughout the year. In 1086, in the Domesday Book, it is noted that Knayton has 4 houses. Just 4 houses.
Anyway, let's get cracking.
On arrival, you check in at reception, which is just behind us.
We're going to the pub for something to eat. You turn right out of the site and just follow the little lane down. It's quite a walk, mind.
It's about 1.5 miles from Knayton village, so good half-hour walk from the site. We've booked a table at the pub tonight, the Dog and Gun. We thought we would check that out and we thought we would wander down. The road is pretty quiet, but there is passing places if there is something coming the other way. Lovely pond there. Rach and Roxy have got ahead. There's just half a mile to go now. The pub's actually towards the other end of the village, so we're just wandering through the village now. It's taken about 35 minutes to this point, roughly. And here we are at the Dog and Gun in Knayton.
Cheers.
What have you ordered, David?
A meal. I ordered a burger. What did you order?
Fish and chips tonight.
And you couldn't decide, could you?
I hate deciding. I get really bad food envy. So David's burger will come, I'll take one look at it and I'll have wished I'd ordered that. But never mind, I've ordered something. Hopefully it'll be brilliant. What have you got there, David?
Eating mess.
I'm on the way back and there's a signpost. Hillside Caravan Park and Hillside Meadow Lodges. Hopefully not too far to go, because my oh my, seems harder on the way back. Simply beautiful. And now we've come out of the village, there's very little traffic.
What did you think of your tea, Rachel, at the Dog and Gun?
What a beautiful little pub, and it was so nice to see a pub so busy. The food was exceptional, really, really nice. Quite a long walk, but a nice walk as well, peaceful. I enjoyed it.
Very nice food, so well worth checking out.
It's lovely to see it so busy, isn't it, with loads of locals as well. I like it.
And that's the Dog and Gun in Knayton. We're back at the site now, so we'll go and get sorted for the evening in the van. Good morning. It's Saturday morning, and what a cracking night's sleep.
Rox and I are up nice and early, going for a little trot.
At the end of the site, if you just continue on, there's a little path. Let's see where that leads to. There's a little bridge across the stream.
If you just cross this bridge, there's a field. It's all fenced in and there are mow tracks around the outside. It's a brilliant dog walk. Rox and I have had a trot round and it's really good.
Are you enjoying that, Roxy?
It's a good one, isn't it?
Look at who we bumped into in the field. Rachel and Roxy.
We've got a wet dog. That's good.
Go and check out the coffee lounge now. Look at that. Robotic lawnmower. How clever's that? Hello. Unfortunately, the coffee machines are getting repaired, but if you're coming after next week, it should be back then. But cracking little coffee lounge there, brilliant. Really is a cracking site, this one. So what have you thought of Hillside?
What a cracking place. The site is absolutely immaculate. We found a nice field for Roxy this morning, which she's loved, and the walk into the village for the food last night was gorgeous. What have you thought?
Yeah, it's a lovely site. I can see why it won the regional winner. It's absolutely cracking, as Rachel said. Very well maintained, great for dogs, nice for kids too, with the playground and older kids. So yeah, really nice site. We've been meaning to come here for some time and for whatever reason just hadn't got round to it. Really pleased we did. And look at the weather, absolutely beautiful. Cracking. And we're early April. How about that? Fingers crossed it holds out. Checking out Thirsk Auction Mart and Millbury Country Store in the garden centre. And just over the road from the auction market is Thirsk Garden Centre.
And coffee shop. Let's go and take a look. see growing vegetables for the first time ever. So I've got carrots and potatoes, onions, radishes, all sorts. So this is exciting for me.
Want a quiche or something?
Coffee.
Nice little garden centre that, isn't it, Rachel?
It was gorgeous. It's made me remember what I forgot to plant in my new raised bed. Cucumbers.
Anyway, let's get cracking. Thank you for watching.
Hope you've enjoyed it.
We will catch you for the next bit.
Bye.
Bye.